Mom, what is wrong?
I think it is time.
What happened?
The baby.
Okay, we go now.
Now?
Yes, now.
Get the bag!
Which bag? I don't know! This one?
No! That is your school bag!
We need the baby bag.
Yes, the baby bag.
The dog is coming!
No time!
He is faster than us.
Quick!
I am coming.
Slow, please.
Wait!
What?
The car!
It's not starting? What's wrong?
It is not starting.
What do we do? I cannot wait.
We need another way. All right, let's think.
The neighbor. Yes! Good idea.
Open, please!
Yes?
We need help! My car is ready. Thank you! Please hurry! This car is small.
It is okay.
Get in! Hurry up!
I need to go fast.
We are going, Mom.
Hold on.
The bag. We forgot it.
Oh no. No time to go back.
We go like this.
Yes.
It is starting.
We are not there yet.
Are we going fast?
Yes, but we must be careful.
I don't like this.
Oh no!
What is happening?
Traffic! I'll take this road.
Okay.
Okay. Yes!
Watch out!
I see it! That was close! We are okay.
That was scary. Very scary.
The hospital! We are close.
Almost there. Help, please!
Mom, we are here.
It is time.
This way, quickly. We are coming! Mom, we are here.
This is fast.
Stay close.
Do not worry. We will take care of her.
Mom.
She will be okay. I don't like waiting.
Me too.
It is taking long.
I know.
He is funny. He is always like that.
Everything is okay.
Really?
Yes. You have a baby?
A baby? Wow! A baby? Wow!
Yes, a baby. You're going to be a big sister and brother.
I'm so happy! Me too! He is so small.
He is perfect.
Today was scary, but it was beautiful.